Psalms 91 never fail me.
Scary night at the movies, and they are the best, you know me, they even have to prove it.
Me not frightened for vanity. So no can't use no bling and trick me. Me another idiot country girl from Tavan. When it come on me yard, come sit down on my table and do what she do. And as she left me yard, she go meet world boss. Cause she did a fuck blood clot Kerry well live round at the back of.
Gaza fans, him good a come and hear when me a call the teacher name or me say something about Grammy and Kartel and Ray and
You're the devil himself, brother. You dirty beanie man. You're a devil, brother. Me know say you sit down and I need some heavy witchcraft. That's why you never got jail for burglar murder.
Father roam me yard, and then she start fuck Shanstam and milk box her down, and then Addy start fuck her.
Lisa hype this Vybz Kartel. Here where Kartel go do now with Trigger. Lisa hype head. Kartel go do a collab with Aishana. We it.
Dirty ass wolf them in a disguise of a sheep. Them there when me not trust. My rather parent put me chances in a snake. Cause them I gotta be what them is at the end of the day, a snake. Down for find out say somebody when me think they got my back or somebody when me they trust is a wolf in a sheep clothing.
My eyes of you.
This feels right.
Dexter, I know you not talk to Lisa. And I know she do something where you not like and post something. But here I go. You see, just for your sanity and just for calm my brain, give her a call.
I think after that, he me run from run a King James when Whisker Benji nearly kill him in a jam, his blood class through the yard. When me say beat him and run. And Whisker Benji try to fight me. And he just had such a shot through the blood clot gate. I must say about 7-6 years before I say about being a man, people for like me, I tell lightning for bust made into.
Siva, big up yourself, my brother. Know yourself. Your sister go buy you a jail bed. Cause that way you get a fuck rest. Yeah.
Viewers and subscribers, we're back again with the next epic one. Yo, like, subscribe and share. You know the badness come down. Pepper Kid out again, you know. We are going to talk about Vybz Kartel. Beanie man. We are going to talk about Vybz Kartel fan base. You see me? Yeah man, them fans them a get wild over here. You know the badness come down. We are talk about Kevin. Kevin just a this up Beanie man, put Beanie man in place. You know the badness come down. So here we go on. Let's say Lisa Hyper. You see, P? Yeah, Lisa Hyper get crazy over there. This up Cartel and thing. The Vybz Kartel, the Vybz boss, you watch now. I want that him buy for the silver. A different bandits are going over here, so. I don't know how that's going now. Because I know say him get kicked out of the Gaza camp. Put a hype. I tell Vybz Kartel, see him where you say, you watch now. Jump over and give Lisa Hyper strength. You see, P? But Lisa Hyper now. F up, man. You know the bandits come down. Being the man won't stop to if him shares them. You see, pray. But all heap of fans all over the world, same way. All heap of fans all over the world, same way. I bet being the man knows, say, oh, go with the little bad man, so if you know the badness come down. And my business that still. But yo, like, subscribe and share. Just to show about what you want to see and what you want to hear. You know the badness come down. Big up on the damn self and the viewers and subscribers. John, Lisa, I can't believe that you really do. After Footer Hype come out and a bigger strength for your girl, your style, the Vybz boss, you know, say your career gone down, right down to ground. Can't believe it, girl. Yo, John, know you. Fuck everything to yourself, girl. The ZP. Yo, nobody can beg back for you this, you know. Remember, say they get kicked out of Gaza camp already, you know. You know, it's the last chance this for you, girl. You see me? Better just go to the Vybz boss and bend down for your knees and pray and beg and say, oh, hey, Vybz boss, give me a chance. I'm head did away again. You see me? You know the thing go. But yo, jump in a clip with them and show us some love here, man. Because over here so warm. Vybz Kartel. For you forward back, yo, I not lie. Dance all wild. I like that. I love the look, my daddy, man. You know the badness come down. Big up your damn self in the Vybz boss.
I suffer for the blood clot body and me. I don't want nobody call my phone. I don't want nobody look to me. Me, I'm my own big woman. Me, I'm 36. Me, not last. Wanna breeze me. Breeze me. Breeze me and breeze my phone. Cause me don't want this one. Remember, you know, whenever everybody did I say my mad, I me this and me that, I only God me see, not even my mama and my papa, I God heal me. I am alone, me owe something right now, me not owe nothing. So me not want nobody to call my phone like me own something. I God alone me owe, yeah. Oh, I mean I like people, I trick on you know. I talk less and use this. And I'm
no want nobody try to fuck with my mood swing. They try
Too coward fi face me, so them try use spiritual battle erase me.
my two-sided brain I work now, the black gone. The black one I did put on the left side, it gone. My third eye open my back. Watch me on a blood clot. Think my like you know? My good man. Siva, big up yourself, my brother. Know yourself. Your sister go buy you a jelly bed, cause that way you get a fuck with.
Never fail me, yo. Hard time sure real people believe me.
There. Oh, Moonie to get bumbo clock then. And you get X1 dimmer. Moonie do 13 years. Hey, and that get my dark in a youth. I want to you. Me I go buy you your bumbo clock then. Moonie do bumbo clock 13
tell you why me say big yard. Leng, nah fuck nobody.
years about him I get bent. I want to see him to slap a back clean and head boy him get bent. Pussy hole. Boy him get bumbo clock bent. Trying to make my buck him on the road too. Informer pussy hole Moonie. What do you when them put out a video about me and thief money out of the G bag? After me I try hold the bumbo hole for him not drop off a stage. Yo, batty boy Moonie. Send the video to the man and tell the man about watch ya. My little and them can own bumbo clock money. A bank hold my money for me. I hardly spend. Me hardly spend here and them something. Them not buy them bumbo clock something. They a bank hold my money. And me I invest in my career right now. I want to know. Me no wear wig and eyelash and them something unless me I do video shoot, photo shoot, or me I go interview. Otherwise from that, me look like a mad homeless blood clot girl and I so me love it. Me not frightened for vanity.
God, it's me again.
So you can't use no bling and trick me. Me another idiot country girl from Tavan. When it come on me yard, come sit down on my table and do what she do. And as she left me yard, she go meet world boss. Cause she did a fuck blood clot carry well live round at the back of father room me yard. And then she start fuck Shanstam and milk box her down. And then Addy start fuck her. And the whole Gaza fuck ya. One man from the Gaza fuck me. And I the boss, cause I that me the boss.
The boy, no give you space on him, no set you free, then you better believe him.
Can't say no East side, you look like you plan to fuck up the whole Gaza camp, you know, man. You know, say you make everybody else speak out. You feel like you're going to come back after this girl? John, no, you fuck up your whole career. Yeah, man, you F up your whole career. No joke. I'm not going on you. No, yo, Jaja.
Me not do basket. You cannot even construct a proper interview. This is no your talk. You do a song with Dexter, big song. Them ask you, how come you come up with that song? You know Mama and Papa days and the song name High School Love. Go back a bumbo clad school girl.
Thing, Lisa hype. No bashing or no clashing. You know where the badness come down. Get up here now. Yo, you can't take out what? You and Dexter that half dog, pan, vice versa. See pay. Yeah, daddy, you can't take out all the little viral video where you see go on. You see me, little music where Dexter that drop. You know the badness come down. Like that I get to your girl and you take it up on the vice god. You see it? So yo, Lisa, do better man. You know where badness come down. When you say you did want something for Gaza and where, you see me? But yeah man, you did have to wait a turn man. Just like what Alkaline say. You did have to wait a turn. Wait a turn, Lisa, man. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, man, Lisa Hype, still in a G. You can't pay the price boss for film viral video, see me. You did go get a highlight, you know. You know, say dark still a get highlight. You done in a camp in a G. You see, pre, any song we dropping now because I dark, it go viral, you know. So you know what thing come down from the dark, come out and sing as a camp shine again. Yo, just, you know the badness come down. As the man say, do the right thing, Lisa Hype. You see it? Let go them foolish vibes. You see, pre.
So my people, Lisa Hype basically follow the crowd, the vendetta people them, and this Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel haters them attack long time, including Footer Hype. Say the X1 with Vybz Kartel buy Sean Starmer, fuckery, and buy Moonie, Benz. Lisa Hype go on a rant. Lisa Hype me a talk boy, you know. We a quiz up cartel bars. We each and pan cartel like cartel a steel and she a magnet. And I go on like say a she and cartel there. And I no see them and cartel there. Listen me. When you look back on my video them, don't me come burn out Lisa Hype the other day. When me see my at Monday, I touch up cartel somewhere, me know say there is no way if you deal with cartel so and you say they run see them and know say cartel and see them there on a level. Don't me come burn out Lisa Hype. The energy did real. Lisa Hype. Did I expect say cartel go come from prison and I go dig out her hole like back in the days? You hear me I say? Cartel come from prison a different man and not at the pan them level. The cartel I work with see them who have the lucky hole. Right? Lisa Hype come now. Come this Vybz Kartel. Why did Lisa Hype this Vybz Kartel? We don't know. Lisa Hype this Vybz Kartel because from Vybz Kartel come from prison. Lisa Hype a follow up back a cartel. I'm a dad, I'm a father, I'm a daddy, Ray. Right? If you open that cartel, I go give her a hit song. You know why Lisa Hype this Vybz Kartel now? Because the collab when think Vybz Kartel we go give. To give him the world hit song. Him no get it yet. But him go get a song of our own. The other day. We get a little momentum. So it get to Lisa Hype head and basically say no need Vybz Kartel because Kartel do nothing with her for that song. Soul cry. We are get a little run right now. Lisa, it get to Lisa Hype head and say but Vybz Kartel not put no work in this. And me get it song. After him come from prison, me back him. And him don't give me a collab. Here where Kartel go do now with Trigger. Lisa Hype head. Kartel go do a collab with Aishana. Where it. What if you hear me say? Lisa Hype a follow back up at the Kartel back and a whole Kartel bagging, copy everything. I look for a hit song. And Kartel go give Aishana a hit song. Lisa Hype bitter. Lisa Hype a chip. Because all our Lisa Hype when I do was to get trending again off of Vybz Kartel and get another hit song. But true, she go get the soul cry now. We get a little run. And still none was half of Vybz Kartel's strength make people even look on her song them right now. It get to Lisa Hype head. And the song with Vybz Kartel and Aishana go do. It a mad Lisa Hype because the song a run. It get to Lisa Hype head. That's why Lisa Hype follow the crowd. And subliminally, this Vybz Kartel. Or a man fi buy Siva X1. We are fuckery and buy Moonie, Benz. Lisa Hype make Siva know say him I go buy my Benz. Because Moonie never go to 13 years of prison. A Siva do it. So a man fi buy Siva all X1 and buy Moonie Benz. Lisa Hype, let me tell you no people. Anytime when you see some people around you, as something them a look. Lisa Hype never get where she want in time. But you see some people who have no patience, that always reach them. Cause watch her now. Kartel give Aishana a little song. And it a run. Remember, Lisa Hype you follow back a Kartel batty every day. I wipe the man's sweat, I hold him cup, I do everything. How much song Kartel we have in the pipeline for you? But you no greedy and care wall out. Look how long in the music I will not go worldwide yet. So why you think as a man come from prison you go worldwide? That's why I'm turning on this Vybz Kartel. Let me tell you, see sometimes when you see some people can't reach nowhere, I chew them bad mind. And me tell you, bad mind not just come out of people heart just like that. Lisa hype, God go with you, cause your career done for you this Vybz Kartel. Believe when me tell you that.
Right now, we just stage in life. For me, rather put my trust in a snake. Because at least with a snake, you're sure, so you know, so them conniving and them sneaking, them envious, them devious, them deceitful. You know everything about them because at the end of the day, you can't trust a snake to be what it is, and that's a snake. You know who me cannot trust? The wolf, them will come disguised as sheep. Yeah, man.
Fresh
The one them will
drop.
come make it look like say them all for you and them rate you that time, jealousy, bad man and envy, and dig out them heart, soul and body hole for you. And you did there trust them, I feel like say, yeah man, them got my back, them have my back and this and that, them a look out for me. And all the time them a plot your downfall. Them a plot for fight you, them a plot everything that's bad against you and come a smile in your face like say, yeah man, me you're good like that. Dirty ass wolf them in a disguise of a sheep. Them there way me not trust. Me rather parent put my chances in a snake, cause them I gotta be what them is at the end of the day, a snake. Than to find out say somebody with me think they got my back or somebody with me they trust is a wolf in a sheep clothing. Them say them no want run me. I pray them off and I rebuke them in the name of Jesus. I made them left my life because of the fight them a fight. Blessing now go stop flow for me, and that's what them not understand. You can't touch God's anointed, you can't touch somebody with clean heart. Yeah. Might have dirty attitude, but my heart is very clean. And that they not understand, so I can always make me survive and out past them. That is it right there.
Teacher no mind me know him gal, me a work for me one that a empire way.
You know, sir, I just wake up this morning and I wake up to see a bad mind story upon the bench. So I just have to wash it off, well soap it down, you see me? Yeah man, you don't know it's a bench madness. One of my nose, I'm out. What we do with bad mind? Get them out.
Listen to me. You see Kartel they over foreigner right now. You check him come back to Jamaica. Kartel now. Kartel. I mean, listen to me, man. Kartel now come back. And if Kartel come back at Jamaica, I can guarantee tell you, say, I just come back, he come pack whatsoever in love and sell it. Him a done with Jamaica. You see Kartel get back in America. Him a go America go buy one house close to him brother Movado. And I can tell you something. Listen. Kartel life I got just fix back when he link back with Rhino. And the happiest you ever go see him. And last night when he would call me and say, Cargo, let me tell you something. You know, say, anytime Kartel true youth is Rhino. Anytime him and Rhino link back, you're going to see one difference. Because he know he did Rhino wrong. You understand? And anytime the two of them link back, right there, so you're going to see Kartel. Evelyn help goodly come back. Because my lad, you know, say, yo, sometimes I just want different set of happiness I need. See, your happiness come back and your sickness starts slow down. Because listen to me. Popcorn already up there already like him financial wise and career wise. A Rhino is a youth. Which part him going to give back that strength there. And him going to stand up and watch Rhino. Get where he's supposed to get out of the world. A foreign him going to live. And him going to live in Florida. Which part him a Movado. Can drive round in the Rose Rice and then type of sitting there. And at there so you're going to see the two of them really make money. When the two of them start to pack up some club and Kartel himself, I go drive back that energy the Movado really need. Bro, the picture that I watch if he now go work. What Kartel I do back at Jamaica? Them are going to give Kartel 5-year work permit. You hear? I see them if you go just chill and make Kartel married to an American girl and straighten him out. Hey, me can tell you something. Wait until Kartel see me. Wait until Kartel see Cargo, you know, go embarrass pussy hole. All I do is part attack. Kartel used to upon for my page and like me things them, you know. Because I know so me always a pick up for him. You understand? But guess what? Kartel are going to love me for even more now.
I really use I think as it is. What time is some people crash up.
You is just like me. You see the loyal thing that for you alone as an artist stand up around Beenie Man and I say, yo, bro, me don't know Beenie Man for that.
Yeah. Me not go say you liar you, but you say truth and fact. Are you that?
Listen, I don't know Beenie Man for that. I don't know Beenie Man from two flyer for Panawar. Me don't know him. Me and Beenie Man has never a one time me and Beenie Man sit down and talk for 1 second. And I wait when he called me out of England. And me got in an intent to tell him.
Make me alone call Bumbo Clark Beenie Man name. Cause me know when go through. Me know the separation when go through. But actually you want me Bumbo Clark money. If you give me my money, more about him also. That's why I tell you stuff for low artists make them trash out them blood clot matter. When you not getting artists Bumbo Clark business. Cause you don't know what fuck about entertainer, you don't know what them go through. To reach on the top of them there. Cause Beenie Man go through it back in the last when he get more when he go sing Molly up a Mandela Park. I think after that, he me running from Rona King Jam is when Wisco Benji nearly kill him in a jam, his blood class through the yard. When me say Beenie Man run. And Wisco Benji try to fight me. And he just had such a shot through the blood clot gate. I must say about 7-6 years before I say about Beenie Man people. If I like me, I tell lightning for bust made into. Cause Rasta not running the joke there. Rasta not tell like people are running the joke there. So no phone talk about Beenie Man, on the blood clot, you don't know about Beenie Man. You not chat off on the mouth. Beenie Man, if you just give me my money and say, you save the world, me not don't talk, you deserve it, youth. You deserve it. Beenie Man, you know you give me my money. You know you may call your name again. I don't be in this video. I just my money me want. I mean find a chopper rate will cost so much million blood that and you tell me say you give me 40,000. If you come a camper down road feet. And when me go in a Natalie yard to blood clot, as I come out of the car you pass, me go in a Natalie pool clot yard. That get me vexed. And when you come back out of the house, remember say me nah move, you know. Remember say you say me sit down on the bench, see and wait. And when you pull the door and come back out of the blood clot house, you still a pass me if you go back in your bumbo clot car, Beenie Man. You know, must you expect me for... Me know say that's why you don't want to give me money. I told me deal with you the morning. Thump out your blood clot daylight. That's why you don't want to give me my bumbo clot money. Because you say me disrespect you. Or you first disrespect me. Because you style me. You pass me, gonna pass me, come. That's why everybody says, save the world, you deserve your money. You style you for two. And you tell me if you come for my money. And you come out of the car and I pass me going to your blood clot car. And when you come out of the car and I pass me going to your in a Natalie house. And you see me say, hey, Beenie Man, you wicked no blood clot. Remember you tell me say save the world, go down to Natalie yard and wait for me. See? I remember that me doing a Beenie Man. Go camper down road in and wait for you. Because remember say me know everything about you in a youth. That's why you tell me say you got bumbo clot Natalie yard, you know. Because you know, say in a Natalie yard with the morning, you know, night. You know. I just some smoke my weed, some hold my meditation. You know that. That's why you tell me so. You never tell me if you go nowhere else, if you go meet you, if you wait for no blood clot money. As you come out of the car, you see me. You come out of the car and you're going to the house. And you see me sit down at that bone, me Beenie Man. Nothing about me so. You never say when you come out back, you say something to me. You never say, well, save the world. That's how quick you or whatever. You come early or whatever. But you really wait for your money or whatever. No, you don't say to me. You come back out of the house and I pass me if you go back in that clot car. Anybody hear this Beenie Man, they might go vex.
Beenie Man, anybody hear this, man go say, Beenie Man, you this the youth for true. And you say you're king. When you know, you say, yo, pap, remember, I don't know about no Monday business and no boom boom business, because I no go to them place there. Me hardly get up, I no go in there anyway. So me can't get trapped. Africa, I found you so to Africa, my thing there. And then in the party, they may go. Because if you hold it like me, you won't get a flap there. And you say your wife will have much money upon you. When me can never tell your wife, say put on save the 40 blood at 1,000. You know, me tell you, start through your woman, make crosses and follow your post that. You know, me tell you. Now run with African youth, they will cry your water for you. Big up Tracy. Big up Tracy, big up Waterford. As I think said people. Being a man of fight for fee when me ask for my blood one, because me pit in the hunger, my grand pit in the hunger want post food. And then go to school. Lunch money and lunch money every day. Lunch money and lunch money every day, people. Enough money that. And what say you now work? Me ask for my one. I'm for sure the boy so wicked up that you don't even say, save your life, right? Me go see teacher get it. He now give me that bumbuck, lad. Being a man one of the meanest blood that DJ pan earth. And that's typing career. You know, but you say, be the man, go here, so go give her this. Go here, so go support this. You know, go to school, go give her this. You know, go to school, go support this. Put in some computer sitting in a school or some nurse place. And you say, you have declared king. You think all you could live Africa? You can't live Africa. No time you can't live Africa, blood. Because you're not ready. When they make all the African and suffer to put on the church and them have the money, them have food. I make them rat on no blood house. I make the people them pick the hungry and the village that dead hungry. For your village that dead hungry. I be a poverty there and I for your village to blood lad. Hey, I tell you, see really easy. But I don't lie, I took me attack. Because for you say you're king, you're supposed to respond to your village. And your village supposed to well alright. You're not supposed to say no hungry blood lad pitney. In your village. You couldn't go to Africa. Because if you say you're king, them are going to get a village. That's a number one. Africa, me go and be done see why they going to take place with me. Because then give me cow, then give me donkey down there already. Junior star tell you. I told me that for left blood clot Africa. Because I'm just sitting where people give me down that bumbo clot. Me the past stage and people call donkey and cow to blood.
My eyes of you. Right.
Hey, I'm going to want someone off, leg off a Vybz Kartel shirt. Especially you being a man. It's not because you was not arrested for the crimes that you did. Make I tell you that. Not because in the involvement of Bogle, your name calling out. And not because you dirty being a man. You know who you remind me of? Puff Daddy. And when you go done, you go weird done, brother. Not because you was not arrested for the murder of Bogle. Make you come here so still a go on like say you want pine finger. And that me I try to tell you. If you go do 13 years in jail, you maybe come out a better person. Vybz Kartel did 13 years. And the man come out a different person. And all you box him, you kick him, you spit on him, you call him names, you do all kind of... The man just said, peacefully. Big up being a man. All when you had stamp the man name, big up being a man. All when you had tell lie on the man, big up being a man. You know, see, Vybz Kartel change. Vybz Kartel change. Long time you would have get licking in your face. You, dirty stinking being a man. Long time you would have get licking in your face. Anyhow, Vybz Kartel never change. Vybz Kartel change. The man got jail and the man reach out to God. And the man find God. Something you have not yet found. Look at demon spirit boy you walk around earth. You are the devil himself, brother. You dirty beanie man. You are the devil, brother. Me know say you sit down and I need some heavy witchcraft. That's why you never got jail for Bogle murder. Yeah. I whole heap of ranks your name called pan, brother. You're there under some heavy demon spirit, brother. I whole all spice say you box you send man for box are done. See? Whole heap of people call your name dirty beanie man.
Aye. Them get the bubble mad. I I will go for the tamba. Yo, them get the bubble mad. Them know about Ochi Empire. Fully Ochi. Gaza badness. Yo, watch now. Tell them again, Tamba. Yo, I jump over this. Finish the year with them, Tamba. SDP, yeah, man. Give them what them forget.
Him is a Gaza fan. Him good a come and hear when me I call the teacher name or me say something about Grammy and Kartel and Ray and take it for you. Debo, big up yourself, you know. And I take the thing out of context and about man if you say Gaza or Rasta, you know, if you say Gaza, Ray. Batty boy, you can't tell me did you ever see you near. A new bomber clad picture on with Vybz Kartel. And I know beg Vybz Kartel picture, you know. I know beg Vybz Kartel picture. I see people are blood clad selling and me buy. I support that clad. I see people are selling them and me buy. Batty boy, you see how long me have the things? Batty boy, look on my picture when me have with Vybz Kartel in my house. Batty man, where I tell me something to stop say Gaza. Batty man. Somebody screenshot this and tag Blood Vybz Kartel. When me I say Vybz Kartel and Bob Marley, music is two different genres. And the people who organize this thing, they need to put back one blood clot category for dancehall in this Grammy blood thing. You can't put reggae and dancehall in a one category. Because they're muma. And that me I say. Batty boy, where you there one time me as a free bomber clad Vybz Kartel. Batty man, pan live bomber clad CVM TV. Batty man, where you there? You think upon internet, when me as a free Vybz Kartel, me as a free Vybz Kartel. Upon live Jamaica TV, me say free Vybz Kartel. A Gaza, me say, with one white woman here so, and one white man over the side here. Turn upside of me. Pan CVM, Batty boy, you know what owe me? Batty boy, I think I beg for say Gaza. You think I beg Vybz, me go to Vybz Kartel me rate you know. Wait. And me blood class for you and respect you, because I'm a big man for Vybz Kartel. So hey Batty boy, go suck out your mother again. See, look on the picture I wanna have with Vybz Kartel in you. Look at mine and look on the drink when you have in your hand. Look on the drink when you have in your hand. Look how in tattoo them bright. Them time, yeah. So you know, say a real blood coloring book this. Batty boy, this are before prison. Where they when Vybz Kartel they watch every day on a Richie place. You know who named Richie? Batty boy. Who you up see? You know who me? Got some mother Batty boy and I'm a house this stand. You think nobody broke the glass? And nobody broke the glass, you know? I told long he did one place. One place too long he did it. What they know about watch Empire? Hey, Batty man, go suck, boy. I mean, no why nobody tell me to calm down. Because as some done said them. They don't listen to people reasoning before they jump in and come comment. Batty boy, you different cartel like me. Put anybody a watch here in a Jamaica. Alright, you want me call me woman when me do it from 1995? You want me call me woman when me do it from 1995? And ask her if me not say people no campaign for Black Addy. But ask her if Black Tamba now campaign to fi add it till me woman ask me say Bumbo clad. It seems like he's your son or he's your brother. Everything is Vybz Kartel. And me I say BS, remember say him born the Bumbo clad 7th January me born the 1st, you know. So what the clad you expect? What you expect, boo? Him a youth film but I'm my dancehall artist in a this era time. Bounty Killer me idol. Him a me dancehall artist, you see him? Him a me dancehall artist. Me and Bounty Killer is same age. But him a Muta a my idol. So all of who see me and feel like say me a blood normal bumbo clat boy. You hear who are my idol? Muta Baruka and Flat Bounty Killer. And see me artist here. Yeah. In a me 21st century, this time and era, I'm my artist this, my dancehall artist.
Don't worry, I can't come this Bean Man, brother, because you match up with Bean Man. You're no match, brother. You check yourself in front of yourself, bro. A 4-time Bean Man nominated for Grammy, you know. This a Kartel first time, 4-time Bean Man nominated for Grammy, 4-time, bro. Do the Eastern music, you know, brother. Bang wagon sheep. Well, I want to run back a Kartel and a sheep. I want to put on a bad Marley. Yeah? Lift up and put on a bad Marley. Sheep. I want to set a sheep, bro. I don't know nothing about music, but naturally you pay me a view on that DJ like say, when I call up my name, when I post man pick down a table man, pick down a table man wife. Brother, when I know what I do in a virgin, I tell someone that, you know. When I know what I do in a virgin, I tell them that, my brother. Being a man do so much for this music, brethren. So much. Right? I been one of my first dancehall artists, different from Shabba, to get Grammy. Right? That's why you have to put respect on being a man name. Dancehall artist, not get Grammy so easy, you know. But you know, bag of sheep, you run back a cartel and don't know nothing. When you go and live for cartel and put him over every DJ head. One DJ can run the business. One DJ can and a data mash up the dancehall thing. Me on a course I say boy reggae want to category one, do cartel one can category, cartel one can do. Cartel one can nominate for Grammy. Hold on, brother. Hold on, brother. Do cartel one can on dancehall? Because when you say, boy, you know one dancehall category. If you know one dancehall category, and a cartel alone, no one from the place. So who did that match with them? Come on, man. You see, no? Brother, that's why you see right now, I tell you the truth. When me then look up bag of sheep on the internet, me go and come on the internet again, brother. Because if you look, if I know it's not going to go and this being man, brother. None of them no big like being man, brother. No artist. I wait for Shaggy and Sean Paul and Jamaica no big like being man. Me tell you that. Me tell you this, brother.
Yeah.
Listen to me, man. Hold on, man. Being man, I do this before he was Sean Paul. You me tell you, being man get international before he was Sean Paul. So now you hear someone that blah, 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 blah. Brother, if you don't know, shut up no more, brother.
No, man, just a deal with them like, my general. It's fine. Brother. But hold on there before you go no further. I mean, don't want you left off my phone with that energy and that. Yo, bro, the item to do better with the soccer mother thing. It's too easy for the item to tell everybody where they know. Some simple disagreement, my general.
People opened my door for Kartel to get his visa. That was the greatest thing Kartel could have ever put in pani application for apply for a visa was to go for his Grammy Award. So these people just catch Kartel on the Grammy Award paper to say, yes, we nominate him and we are asking if we give him a visa for come receive the viewing and whatever. Enjoy himself, whatever. Because they know that Kartel would not win a Grammy Award. But what's the ideal thing for Kartel to apply for a visa to go to the United States of America? And these people are cussing out the people and tell them, these people make an opportunity for him. And he would have washed their foot and drink the water. While under the round us are yab and a blah blah because you're so ignorant. When it's a set of ignorant and stupid set of people. Right? The award wasn't designed for Kartel to win it. It was designed to give Kartel the opportunity to put on his application to go for the visa. They open a door for Kartel. On a shut up on a big laba mouth and go one side, go say for no can plant some yam and some potato. Because you don't have no sense of reasoning, you don't have no vision, you don't have nothing. Nothing you don't have, you just a big skull with no brain.
Nah, fuck nobody. Girl, put on here with property.